Hello, I'm in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your cruise control. So these would be your settings right here for cruise control. And if you want on, just push it once, and then again to turn it off. And you'll know it's on where you can activate it if on your dash it says cruise right here. So when it's off, it's not there. On, it's on. And then let's say you're wanted at like 50 miles per hour while you're driving. So you'll drive to 50 miles per hour, and then you can set the speed with this. And then once it's set, you can adjust the speed up or down with these buttons. And if you want to clear out the current saved cruise control speed you have it at, you'll use this cancel button. And then say you're completely done with the cruise control for your trip, you can turn it back off with this. So you can activate it anytime while you're driving. You don't have to be parked. But that's it. And typically something you'd use if, say, you're on a longer road trip and you just want to give your ankle a break from the gas pedal. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.